Flashing red?
Yep, it is flashing.
Muddy shoes and a manual, that's one I have never experienced.
Let's go, Tom. Just cruise in a second. You're right.
Oh yeah, she's tight in corners. I think everyone knows what this is. Well, let's meet the owner. Over here we got Jake. Good to see you. And what do we got here?
Well, we've got the 1979 Fj45 that I bought off the pop, and I'm starting to do up back to original most things. I've bought the lights for it, 22-inch light bar, the 7-inch Dominator King's lights, and I've just got an aerial with it too. Got a heap of things actually. I've got the snorkel. I just put extractors on it with a 2.5-inch exhaust out the side, the high lift jack around the other side, and I'm just starting to do the interior. I'm pulling out all the roof and getting it all redone, so hopefully it looks good. And it also comes with tray lights, and I also got the awning for it as well.
Ripper.
Soon to be mud tyres.
It's a real clean setup. Why don't you fire it up and give us a little rev? Trails. Jake's having a bit of a drive. Tell us, what's it like to drive?
Well, it drives old, but it drives well. I like driving it. It's a bit rough, but it's pretty smooth sailing.
To be what, a 41-year-old car now?
Yep, 41. It's only done 130,000.
Yeah, she ticks along well, as you've seen in a couple of off-road clips we've just posted.
That's it.
And she's just sailing for days.
It's going through like nothing.
One of the most fun four drives I can say I've definitely been in.
That's alright then. I reckon it's one of the most fun ones I've ever driven. Highly recommended.
It seems like a bit of a pain without the power steering. Do you ever plan on putting it in, or are you going to leave it original?
Just leave it original. More money value, but not like I'll ever sell it.
Yep. That's the way.
Up and going like this, it's just as easy as power steering.
Yeah, fair enough, mate. What are your next plans? What are your next mods?
Next mods would have to be muddies, maybe a lift kit. But I'm I'm not sure yet. Just got to save the money first, but definitely mud tyres are next.
Yeah.
Definitely. Then a new tray probably.
Sun visor?
Yeah, getting the sun visor too.
Yeah.
Make it look pretty cool.
That's alright.
That'll be alright. Very cool. Sarah's pointing at us.
She's just sailing along. Come to about here. Just getting ready to do a little photo shoot. Sweet. I reckon we get some photos over there.
Yeah.
Right guys, we're just going to load up a roll of Ecto 100 to shoot this beast because it's definitely the best film. Couple of clouds in the sky, ISO 100 is the way to go, and we're going to shoot 1960s camera or whatever it is on the old girl. Yes, I am tired. I almost loaded it the wrong way. Would have been fucked for days.
Oh, I think it just went flat.
No, if the screen goes off, just give it a tap. Never remember which way it is. There we go. Alright. Load her up. Give her a wind. Tool those arrows there, meet that arrow there. Close it up. Now I just gotta, I don't know if you can see it in that square, roll it. Watching the red window until we see one. Now she's good to go.
Righto.
So we'll come over. Yeah, come up here, keep filming. Actually left my light meter in Melbourne, but we'll set the exposure on the phone light meter to 100. Maybe F5.6, you're looking at 2/50th of a second. Man, that's a ripper shot now that I've seen it. Go 5.6, 300th of a second. It's ready to go. Prime it. Focus it. And 1, 2, 3. That's the first shot done.
Very good.
Alright guys, we're just finishing up the video. We're out here at the Store Lake. Jake, thanks again for bringing your awesome car out.
No worries at all.
Taking us off-road a bit. There's a Dodge truck about 10k up that way. We might get a chance to have a look at it. If not, you're going to see some really cool POV driving videos right now. Enjoy, and thanks again guys. Alright guys, so we were actually heading in to go shoot a Dodge, but there's been, it looks like someone's hit a roo or something. So the cops had blocked the road off, so gonna have to go a different way. So next time up here we're gonna come and have a look at it, but these things happen, you can't control it. I thought we should have stopped on the way and should have listened to the gut instinct, but these things happen. So just want to say once again to So, Jay, thanks, mate.
No worries, mate.
Love your truck. Thanks, viewers. If you like these, subscribe. We'll be definitely coming back to see when he's resprayed this. Take it easy, guys. Have a lovely day. See ya.